Will there be a visible scar after your blepharoplasty surgery? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mansi Dhende. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon and I'm currently practicing in New Delhi, India. So in today's video, let's try to understand, will there be a scar after your blepharoplasty surgery or not? So first you need to understand, why does a scar occur and what are the factors that influence this? When we talk about scarring, it depends upon multiple factors. The first is obviously the incision that is placed. Where the incision has been placed is very important. Next, it also depends upon the surgical technique that is used for closure, etc. And lastly, the aftercare that your plastic surgeon will prescribe after the procedure is done. Now, when we talk about blepharoplasty surgery, in this, let's talk about both upper and lower blepharoplasty. In both these conditions, when we are talking about upper blepharoplasty, we make the incision in your upper eyelid crease. And when we talk about lower eyelid blepharoplasty, in this there are two techniques. One is transconjunctival, in which the incision is made in your lower eyelid from the inside, and transcutaneous, in which the incision is made on the outside but the incision is just along the lash line and again in the skin crease itself. So these incisions are very well hidden. Therefore, planning these incisions is one of the most important steps. Secondly, the surgical technique that is used. If you're getting this procedure done from a plastic surgeon, he or she will make sure that they're using the most fine sutures and using precision surgical techniques to give you a fine scar. It's important that you choose a board certified plastic surgeon for your blepharoplasty procedure. And lastly, the aftercare is as important. Once your surgery is done, you will be given certain ointments or jellies, etc. to make sure that your scars fade over a period of time. As long as you're following all these techniques, your scar is going to heal beautifully well. Other than this, your body's natural healing process and your skin type also plays an important role. Every patient heals differently, and some patients tend to have keloidal tendencies. Therefore, it's important that when you're having a discussion with your plastic surgeon before the surgery, you discuss all these factors. All these things play an important role in determining what kind of a scar you're going to have. Largely, most of the people who undergo a blepharoplasty surgery, their scars heal very well and they are barely noticeable after a period of time. But as I said, every patient is different and a consultation with a board certified plastic surgeon is very important. You cannot skip that. If you are someone who wants to undergo a blepharoplasty or you want to understand more about this procedure, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions.